Hey beauties, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite meal prep recipes, my high protein chicken chili. It's an easy one pot dish, it's high in protein, it's low in calories, which means that it's going to keep you satiated while keeping you in a deficit, while not having you stay in the kitchen all day. So it's just a win-win. Let's get it. So I'm sauteing some ground chicken in avocado oil. I prefer to use ground chicken breast because it maintains its volume after cooking and it's higher in protein than ground chicken thigh. You can also use ground turkey for this recipe, but I just don't like the taste. So I'm just gonna use ground chicken breast. While the meat's browning, I'm gonna dice up some celery, green pepper, onion, garlic, and parsley. And once the meat is brown, I'll add my spices to the chicken. So I'm using chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. And I'm gonna remove that chicken from the pot and then I'm gonna saute my veggies. So I'm gonna use that same pan, just add a little more oil, toss the veggies right in. Then I'll toss in some black beans, kidney beans, my chicken back in the pot, some fresh parsley, and some minced garlic. Then I'll throw in a big can of crushed tomatoes, some bone broth, and mix. You're gonna bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to simmer, cover, cook for about 15 minutes. Then you're ready to serve. I like to toss mine with a little sprinkle of cheese, some jardinera peppers, and you can also swap out the cheese for your avocados, and that's also really delicious. I swap out my traditional crackers for some tortilla chips, and there you have it. This chili is perfect for the second half of your week. No one wants to eat the same meal for 5 days in a row, so you could totally make this chili on Sunday with the rest of your food and then just put it in a freezer bag, let it freeze until you're ready to eat on like Wednesday or Thursday, and it'll still be delicious. All right, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications so you can always get fit by Chris. See you later.